Hello kids! It's gardening time! In this video, we're going to learn about plants. There are different types of plants, like grass, water lily, rose plant, hibiscus plant, tomato plant, mango tree, and papaya tree. Parts of the plant. Leaf, flower, stem, fruit, and roots. Did you know? The Rafflesia, which is the world's largest flower, has a bad smell. How do plants grow? Some plants grow from seeds. Some plants grow from parts of the plants. What do plants need? Sunlight, water, and air. Plants give us food. I have here some examples. Pineapple plant that gives us pineapple fruit. Paddy plant that gives us rice, gimbap, and tacos. Carrot plant that gives us carrot. Plants give us materials. Oil palms give us palm oil. These things are made of palm oil, cooking oil, candles, and soap. Cotton trees give us cotton. These things are made of cotton. Trousers, skirt, and shirt. Thanks!